Welcome back! Today we're going to be showcasing 5 different ways to use roasted beetroot. Can anyone not love beets? So beets are one of those few vegetables that have such a beautiful, vibrant pink color. It's also a great source of antioxidants, vitamin C, and it has the ability to help dilate blood vessels, which can reduce blood pressure due to its nitric oxide property. It's also great for liver detoxification, so try incorporating this on a weekly basis. First up, we have our creamy beet pasta sauce. This creamy beets sauce, what we'll need is 1 beetroot, an onion, a head of garlic, 1 cup of vegetable stock, a touch of olive oil, some soaked raw cashews, 1 lemon, some thyme and freshly cracked black pepper, sea salt, and then some cooked pasta. The easiest way to prepare beets is to roast them. So what you'll need to do is have a few slices of aluminum foil all cut up and ready to go, your bunch of beets, and some oil of your choice. I'll be using avocado oil today to drizzle on top. Once you slice the top part and the bottom part off, you're gonna lay it onto a piece of aluminum foil, drizzle a tiny bit of oil, and then wrap it up. Go ahead and place it into an oven that's preheated at 400 degrees Fahrenheit and bake it for about 45 to 60 minutes. To roast the garlic, prepare it the exact same way as the beetroot. To roast the onions, carefully cut both ends of the onion, halve, peel off the skin, then thinly slice the onions. Place onto a baking tray, drizzle with a bit of oil, and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. Garnish it with some Bon appetit. Once you have all your cooked vegetables done, it only takes 5 minutes to assemble this beautiful creamy pasta sauce. You can put it with noodles or try it with zoodles instead. For this ginger beet coconut soup, we'll need some beets, garlic, onion, a touch of olive oil, coconut milk, vegetable stock, frozen ginger root, some pepper, salt, and chives. So once the beets and the onions and garlic are all roasted, we're gonna add in the beet. And then we're gonna add in a grated ginger. Look at that beautiful color. Smells so good. Pour into a bowl. And then we're gonna go ahead and garnish with some of our fresh chives. Top. This creamy coconut ginger beet soup can be enjoyed both hot or cold. Beet and cherry chocolate smoothie. In the smoothie, we're gonna grab 1 cooked beetroot, so ideally we want chunks of the chocolate chips so you're almost like eating a Cherry Garcia ice cream smoothie. This beet and cherry chocolate smoothie makes for a perfect pre-workout meal. The beets will actually help dilate your blood vessels, allowing for extra oxygen into your muscles. Next up, we have beet tartare. So for this beet tartare recipe, we'll need some olive oil, balsamic vinegar, a touch of maple syrup, beetroot, pecans, pepper, feta cheese, and then some salad greens. So once the beets have cooled down, just carefully peel the skin off. If you're looking for the perfect summer appetizer, look no further. We have our beet tartare over. Last but not least, today we'll be making beet carpaccio. So for this beet carpaccio recipe, we'll need beets, olive oil, apple cider vinegar, Dijon mustard, some salt, pepper, goat cheese or feta, dried oregano, and some baby greens. Carefully, we're gonna slice the beet very, very thinly using the mandolin. And let's take a look. This beet carpaccio salad makes a perfect addition to your summer barbecue. Thanks for watching, and make sure to let me know how you like the recipe showcased today. If you have an ingredient that you want me to feature, make sure to comment below. And until next time, relish everybody.